So we have a new strategy which we are working on. Here we actually use open interest and the change in the price and then try to trade with that. So we'll be getting the data for the open interest right at 9:25 or 9:30. So we have this system designed. So you have bullish strips, usually bullish. So I'm just going to open this in new tabs. So you have the usually bullish and you have the bearish ones, and usually bearish. So this will get populated at 9:25. So we'll have to just wait. So other than this, we do have the charts opened. So you can see that it is a gap up open 50 points. And the calls that get generated will be stored here in your alerts box. So I have opened almost all the charts. In case if you can do that, uh, you too can trade on these many scripts. Otherwise, you can just choose your own scripts and then try to trade with them. Now I have a buy call here. So I know that my resistance is this brown line first. So in case if it crosses the brown line, and that is around 950, I will take a call on Colpal. So that's M&M, the same with M&M. Let's say 1461, we can take a call on this. So that's UBL. We have a sell, but we'll just wait on that. So your sell price will be 77770. So the other thing what you can do is you can always go to the NSE site and see which sectors are doing good. Like we have auto, everything is in green. And the metals are really looking good. It's around 1.2%. So we can get into some trades which have we have Tata Steel. It was in green yesterday and even today also. So we have a buy in so these are the buy calls that have generated at 9:20. So we'll just see the calls one by one. So let's go to Bajaj Auto. So that's a gap up open. So you can see the level here. So I would consider buying at 2784 for Bajaj. And we have an buy in Biocon. Biocon, I think you can buy it at 836. And the calls that get generated, we'll have it in this alerts box. So we have Vocard. So So 1028 forward card. Wipro, we have these two resistances, so let's take a level above the PP, that is 554 for Wipro. We have Sun TV. Sun TV we can consider buying at 469. I'm just giving you approximate prices. So Siemens you can buy above 1277, because you have the strong resistances here, that the brown line and this R1 here. We have an call in power grade. You can buy above R2, that is 181. We have an buy in LNT. Again LNT we have two resistances here. So we can think about buying this at 1480. So Kaveri seeds you can buy at this level, 382. So HCL Tech 831.30, a buy call. Grasem 5050, 5050. So you have the refresh button here. Just click on the refresh button. In case you have the data, you'll get it here. So we'll wait till 9:25, and then we'll be getting the data on that. So we have an buy call in Exide. Exide the same thing. You can buy it at 176.20. We have a buy in Dr. Reddy. Can buy at 3000. Do you have a buy in Cipla too? So we'll buy above R1. That will be 53310. So Dish we have an buy call. So Marico Divis. So we have the strong resistance on this PP and R1. So we'll just wait on McDonald's. We have an buy in Marico again. So you can think about buying this at 299. So 1172. So Dish TV 99. So let's just check for the open interest data. So we have the bearish ones, that is Castrol. So you get it this way. So let's see which is the highest open interest, that is Infi, Jubilant Food Container Corporation. And this is a percentage of change, and that's Jubilant Food is down. Since the market is moving up, we have most of the calls on the buy side. So here I'm clicking on change in open interest. So we have the percentage of price changes here. So that's Orient Bank, Ultratech. So you can see that here. So all these are nearly more than 1% up. And we'll have to come to the actual page, that is the bullish page. So in case the difference between bullish and the usually bullish scripts is, if you have some scripts here, that is Orient Bank, Ultratech, McLeod, JSW Energy, all the scripts, in case if they are weak, they will fall down, or else if they are really strong, then they come into the bullish page. So that's the difference between the bullish and the bearish pages. Now it's the same with the bearish one also. If it is usually bearish, then it'll the script, the price will fall down, and if not, it will reverse and then it will again come back to the bullish side. So the script has to be strong. So that's one of the reason why we have made it as bullish, usually bullish, bearish, and usually bearish. So we have 4 segments here. So over the period of over a period of one trading day, you'll be able to see that irrespective of the market conditions, there are some scripts which make more than 5%, when there will be price change of more than 5%. In some cases, it will be even 8%, 10%. We have been seeing that from mostly nearly a month's time, wherein you'll get the prices. I mean, you'll be able to trade on certain scripts, tracking through your open interest strategy. So we have an buy in UBL. We had an sell in the morning. It's the start of the day. So that has reversed now. So we'll just wait on this because you have very strong resistance here. So the metals are really looking good. So it's good to trade on metals today. You have Vedanta. You have, let me get Jindal Steel out. You have Jindal JSW Steel. So that's a gap up. So once it breaks this R2, then we can think about the R3 level. We have sale. So when there is a huge gap up or a gap down, it's always better to wait for some time and then get into the trades. So that goes your Tata Steel. So that's power grid. So here comes our bullish scripts. So the highest open interest is in Siemens. So that is Siemens. And let's see the percentage change. We have Hindustan Zinc, which is 3% up. So that is Hindustan Zinc. So now you can still be bullish on Hindustan Zinc. We have ALBK, which is up. We have Page Industries, McDowell's. McDowell's we had an buy call in the morning. So you can be very firm now, so that if you get this level of 2279, you can buy McDowell's. Now we have ICICI Bank. So you're getting all this because you had an gap up open in the morning. So we'll just wait for some more time and then see how which scripts pop up on all the four pages. So this particular data you can refresh it every 10 minutes. So that's Rel Capital and Rel Infra are also both in green. So there goes Vedanta. So the next level for Vedanta will be your R3, that is 169. So always try to book your profits slightly below your R3 or R2 or R1. And for sell calls slightly above your S1, S2 and S3. So Castrol we have a sell call. Now you can just come to the open interest and then check what's happening here. So we have Castrol here with almost high open interest, and then it's bound to fall. So you can short Castrol now, and the volumes also seem decent. That is around 70,000 shares. So there goes. So your first target will be your S1 and then your S2. I'll just refresh the data once more. Siemens, it's 4%, but let's just check the percentage of change in the price. So ALBK, you can bet on ALBK now, since it was there at the bottom and then now it has come up with 2.7% increase. So Jindal Steel is there. So that's also moving up. The next level will be 85.60. We have PTC. So it can go up to 79.60. Ultratech. Just wait on that. Seems like weak. And MRF C8. So we have a sell in IGL. We can short below this PP 661. Let's just check what's happening with this. So IGL, we have you can see that minus 97 change, and it's 0.2% down, though the volumes are slightly lower here. Container Corporation is down by nearly 1.5%. So it's been yesterday also it was a huge fall for Container Corporation. So this trend has been it has been there for past 3 days. So you could have short it at 15.30, and now the current price is 14.15. So there goes Castrol. So you know the target here. So PSU banks are doing good, metals are doing good. the weaker ones are the media. So the SBI, your next target will be your R1, 232.50. Cadilla was up by around 3 or 4% yesterday. So Ken, the next target is your R1, sorry R2, that is 197. Can Bank you can hope for 265. Century 700 will be your first target. So Amaraja we have an buy. So you can consider buying at 885. Apollo Tire you can buy it 164.80. So let me just refresh it once more. So now you can just see that Hindustan Zinc we have an change in the open interest. So we have Oracle Financials. So there you go. So Vedanta SRF. So SRF has done its first target. So the next target will be 1569. We have Hindalco. So 142.80 is your next target for Hindalco. So we have BHEL. Arvind, you can buy it at 313.10. So JSW Steel, your next target will be 1753. So Yes Bank has done its R1. So Tata Chemicals, your next target is 468. So Marico, you can buy it at 299.10. Orcom, your next target will be 5060. Adani Ports, 238.40 will be your first target. 234. So the downside for Container Corporation can be your S1 1393. Colpal, you have this buy. The next target can be 955. So you know that the PSU banks are doing good. So L&T, your next target will be 1493. Sun Pharma, I think you should be getting a sell call. So Mindtree and Just Dial, we have a sell. We have a strong support here, PP, and then the brown line. So let's wait on Mindtree. You can consider shorting this below your S1. So this is the idea behind having this strategy where now you can see that Hindustan Zinc is up by nearly 5.5%. We have OFSS, Oracle Financials. We have Allahabad Bank. So your next target will be 8260. We have Vedanta Kain. So that's Vedanta. So that's Kain India. We have BHEL. SRF Sale. So that's Sale. SRF. We have Hindalco, SBI, and most of the scripts are in the bullish segment. So we have a sell in Tech Mahindra. So we have a sell even in Titan. You can short it below this level, 404. You can short it at 504. So we have Titan here, bearish. So that's the idea behind having this strategy. And you can just follow this segments which are in green or in red, and then simultaneously you'll get the figure, that is your change in open interest and your change in prices, and then you can start trading on those scripts. Now we are just at 10 o'clock. Now in the next session, what I'll do is I'll just show you the scripts that I've made at least 5% on either side, or either on the buy side or the sell side, and let's see how many scripts actually do that. And you can follow this strategy very easily because you're getting the data feed. You have your support and resistance levels here, so you know how to book your profits. So that becomes much more simpler to trade.